So a big thing you guys probably are wondering is like, how does this thing do with crowds of people? And as you guys see, it's absolutely crushing it. Hey, what's good guys? Keaton here. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of Kickstarter and Indiegogo projects, but I found one that's really cool and one that I think is gonna actually change the game. So you guys know luggage, we all travel, it's important, and the problem is not everyone wants to carry it. So this company called ForwardX hit me up and they're like, dude, we got this new autonomous luggage, self-driving luggage that basically will follow you around anywhere you go and at the airport. And that sounds awesome. Let's check this. Whew, here we go. Smart luggage. If you want to check this out, by the way, I'll leave it linked down below. I probably should have said that earlier. You guys know it by now. Just get subscribed. It's nothing new. And here it is. So decent box. So what I think is pretty cool about the Ovis, I just got this thing out. It looks nice. Like, it looks like proper luggage I would want to take around. You know, I'm this loud blonde kid, and the problem is no one wants to really just see me in the airport. I gotta be stealthy. So I'm digging this. I'm really digging this a lot. So this is the front camera. This tracks everything in front of you. Really cool stuff behind this. I got something insane to show you. Just hold up, keep watching. And then these are kind of like parking sensors. This luggage doesn't park itself, but it keeps track, and they're more proximity sensors. I think that's like kind of the best way. I'm freaking out about this, man. This is so sick. I want to show you guys how the whole self-driving autonomous luggage feature actually works. So the camera on it, you can see it detects people. It finds you, it finds your eyes, and you can tell. Check this. So as you can tell, this thing recognizes humans ridiculously well. So when Josh came in, when I came in, we both had pink dots on our eyes. Kind of weird, that's like pink eye. Blue dots on our skulls, and the rest is the same. So it's looking for humans to find them. It's gonna find them, it's gonna find home. So a big thing you guys probably are wondering is like, how does this thing do with crowds of people? And as you guys see, it's absolutely crushing it. It's going through everyone. Heads are actually turning. Check this out.
Okay, fine.
She's not even getting hit. This thing is smarter than a dog. Literally smarter than a dog. That luggage, we're good. We're not gonna run into it. And I know it sounds like I've just been saying amazing things, but it is pretty cool. It's dead quiet, you won't even hear it. And the coolest part is, it can go down hills. So let's just say you gotta quickly go catch your flight. You can just grab it and drag it. It's as simple as regular luggage again. At the top, we got our handle to obviously pull it like regular luggage. After all, this is still real luggage. You can pull it if you want to. Now, when you're talking about self-driving, autonomous luggage, there's a lot of variables in play. There's so much going around. Your luggage is trying to move. It's trying to track everything at the airport or your surroundings. So there's another camera actually right on the handle when you want to pull this thing. If you want to pull it like that or just kind of keep it open, this actually tracks your legs. So it can kind of see where your legs are, what's in front of you, where to position itself. Really crazy stuff. So I actually got two of these things with me. They're both prototypes, so just keep that in mind. Things might change a little bit, but this is what you're gonna get. So when you're dealing with smart luggage, the problem is, what happens when it dies? When it's charged, it's great. You can track it, you can charge your phone, you can do whatever you want. Why this is cool is when it dies, these motors switch off and you can pull this thing with the included handle. That's why it's got one. After all, it's gotta still be luggage when you need it to be. And it's chill. Kind of the same with like boosted boards. When it dies, you can sort of push it, but it's not the same. This actually feels like the same. I'll show you in a sec. And what's also sweet is there is a standard TSA approved mechanical lock on here. So when it's charged, you can keep it locked with your phone. When it's dead, you still got the old school method. You can open it. So earlier I was telling you guys about the big secret feature that's really controversial. It's the removable batteries. So a lot of the other luggage out there, you might have seen a few years ago, that video I made, seriously check it out. It's so funny. We had like the greatest time in Hawaii. Basically, Blue Smart went bankrupt because they couldn't change their design. Their entire company was focused on this luggage that had an integrated battery. And when I went through TSA, it literally looked like a bomb. So RIP Blue Smart, gonna miss it. This is sweet though. And by the way, on the Ovis, jump on that early bird pricing. It starts at like $299 and then it'll go up to like $349. It's pretty sweet. So this is an 11,000 milliamp hour battery that is removable. That's why it's a game changer. Seriously, this will be able to charge your iPhone 10 up like 4 times your iPad. You're gonna be staying juiced, staying gassed. This is it. So if you have to check your bag now, you pull this out, you throw it in your backpack or your purse, and TSA isn't gonna give you any problems like they always do. All right, so enough chit chat. Let me show you what's inside this thing. Peep this out. This is the Ovis. This is what's inside. Okay, it's luggage. I know, don't get too excited. You basically just put your stuff in here. That's how luggage works. I like it because I really appreciate this zipper. I appreciate it. Not every suitcase gives you this optional zipper. It helps you separate things, really compartmentalize them. That's awesome. I like my compartmentalization. There we go, that was the word. Whew, that was killer. So you can fill this up, you got straps here. I mean, it's a carry-on, so you're probably gonna be able to fit a few days worth of clothes. It's nice, some toiletries, you're set. You click it back together, you stand it up. You don't even have to touch it. It's a wheel in itself, and it's driving itself. Now you were probably thinking earlier, like, what happens if my phone's dead? Like, the suitcase is charged, but the phone's dead. I know I can charge it, but maybe I don't want to. It actually comes with this included smart band, and what's cool is there's a smart alarm. So if you or your luggage gets too far apart, it's gonna ring you on this wristband, and as you can tell now, it's not apart from me. It's right next to me, but this is a loud vibration. Like, I can feel this. This is not a phone vibration. This is gonna tell you your luggage isn't close to you. So here's the deal on the Ovis Smart Suitcase. Definitely pick it up, links down below, 300 bucks, and you get this as an early bird. I was so skeptical on this, but this is so real, so legit. I love this thing. It works perfectly. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, get subscribed if you're new, click that circle button right here, and subscribe to my second channel, the behind the scenes, the vlog. That button's right here. Check out the last 2 videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.